guys, what's up? So in today's video we are gonna create a glowing text, and we will be giving this effect using CSS. So without wasting time, let us open our Visual Studio Code. So we have two files in our Visual Studio Code. One is index.html and the other one is style.css. In my index.html file, I have linked my style.css file with the help of link tag. I have given this file a title of glowing effect, and we have one div with name container, and this div contain one more div with name text box, and we have one span with class text, and this span has a text in it which is welcome. So now let's start giving styles to our index.html file. So this is my style.css file, which also has some code. First of all, we have removed all the paddings and margins, and we have given a font family as my font style, which is sans serif, and then we have given a background color of black. We have centered this container, and with the help of position absolute, top 50%, left 50%, and transform translate minus 50%, minus 50%, and here we have given this a background color of black. So now let us style our text. Here we will be having a color of Alice blue, and then we will be having a background color of black, which will be same as our body background color. And now we will be giving here a font size of 8 rem and a font weight of 800. And now let us save this and open this with the help of live server. So we can see over here our text is in the middle with the Alice blue color. Let us close other files and let us open our Visual Studio Code again. And here we will be selecting a text again, and this time we will be creating another space using text before, and this will be having the content which will be same as previous, which will be same as our span content, which is welcome. So now let us see. So you can see that we have two welcomes, one and another one. Now let us give this a position of absolute so that it comes above our original text, and this will be having a mix. Okay, let us first of all see this. So now we have just one welcome because the another welcome is above on the top of our first welcome, and now we will be giving this a mix blend mode, and this will be difference. So we have this, and this will be having one filter also that will help us to give this a glow effect. So this filter will be having a blur effect, a BLUR, and this will be 2.5 pixels. So now we have this glow effect around the boundaries of our text. Now let us just brighten this glow effect. So with the help of text box, which is this div, we will be giving this what we will be giving a filter of blur. Okay, not blur, it should be brightness, BRIGHTNESS. Okay, this is the brightness, which will be 150%. Now let us see this. And after this we will be creating one more extra stuff, or we can say space, using this time after, and this after will be not having any content, it will be a blank after. Okay man, what I am doing today? Yeah, so now this will be having a background and this will be having a linear background which I have already made. So I will be using this background. You can just get backgrounds, gradient backgrounds and its CSS code from, I guess, gradient pad. Yeah, you can get from there also. So here we will be having what we will be having. We will be having a position of absolute because we want this to be on top of our main text, and then we will be having here top of 0 and left of 0, and we will be having here a width of 100% and a height of 100%. Now let us save and see. Okay, it's on the top of our text. Now we will be giving here a mix blend mode and we will be selecting multiply this time. So now you can see this all effect, and yeah, this. So okay, now we want to create one more thing, and basically we want to create a, you can say, a background only which will be having a black and a gray circles, like radiant circles. So I will be creating one more spam with class radial, and here we will be selecting this in our CSS file radial, and here we will be saying background. Okay, and yeah, we will be using background property, all the properties together to create a background with gray circles. So we will be saying radial gradient, it is circle comma hashtag FFF, and yeah, this will be having a black also, and BLACK, and this will be 10%. So after doing this, we will be saying this is center. Okay, this will be not hashtag, this will be a simple black center, and here we will be having 25% and 25%. So now we can give this a width of 100% and a height of 100%, and we will be giving this a position of absolute, and we will be giving top as -100% and left as minus, okay, -100%, fine, and right of 0 and bottom of 0. Now we can see this background which we have created. So we will be making it -50, and this will be also -50, so that it is on top of our text. And we will be giving here what that was basically we will be using mix blend mode, and this time we will be giving this a color dodge. So this will make our background will be mixed with our text. Now here we will be having a dot radial. Okay, now we will be creating one animation to move our background from -50 to this, to the center point. So we will be saying key frames, and here we will be giving this a name of anime. We will be saying 2, and it will be going from this top minus 50% and left minus 50% to transform translate, and this will be plus 60% comma 70%. Now let us see. Okay, first we have to give this to our radial div or span. So here we will be adding a transition all, and this will be 0.2 seconds, and it will be ease. Yeah, now here we will be having an animation, and this animation will be having the name, then the duration, then the time period, like how many times it should repeat. We want it to repeat for infinite times, and it will be having a linear motion. So okay, there is some issues. Infinite, yeah. So now you can see that my background is moving very well. So for this, let us give this 30%. Okay, so we have some big circles, or let us reduce to 20%. Yeah, now it's perfect. So simply we have to come over here, we have to say overflow hidden, and this will help us to hide the extra part of our background. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really like this video, please share it with your friends and stay tuned with us by subscribing this channel code our creatives. Till then, goodbye guys.